Maybe with some help from augmented reality, electrical work can be as simple as, well, this. Using AR, you can augment visual work instructions directly onto your circuit board. You can label all of your physical components and highlight all the necessary connections to be made among them, all using the power of AR and the digital twin. So now, there's no getting confused. And if you do get confused, there are written instructions on the bottom of the screen. So forget the schematic, because AR has got you covered.